Hello. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating how I use the Dedolight lighting kit to light an advertising style photo shoot for a pair of headphones. With me today I've got makeup artist Caitlin and the extremely patient model Emily. And we're choosing a makeup scheme that's going to complement the colours of the headphones. This lighting kit comes in its own carrying case. In one side we have all the stands. On the other side the lighting kit, we have the lighting units, dimmers, projector unit, scrims and gobos, two soft boxes and spare bulbs and other accessories. This is the 150 watt soft light. It's got 4 attachment points for attaching a soft box to it. Here's the soft box. These 4 pegs fit into the 4 holes on the light fitting. On the back we fold this down, bring the sides in and attach it with Velcro to stop light spilling out the back. And this is going to be our key light. I'm just adjusting the key light so that we're lighting from 3/4 behind her face. This soft light in the soft box is going to be our key. It's giving a beautiful light on the model's face, but we've got a slight problem, the light's spilling onto the background. To solve this problem, there's a black grid supplied in the kit which fits by Velcro on the front of the light. Okay, so this is with just the key light on her face. I've got the key light positioned slightly to one side, so the back of her face is receiving most of the light and it's tapering off gradually on the front of her face. For the backlight, I'm going to use the Dedolight DLHM4 with barn doors and an orange gel. The barn doors simply slip in the front. And then the gel fits into the clips on the barn doors. As well as the orange gel on the front of the light, I'm also using a patterned gobo in a gobo holder, which simply slots in the front here. Now I adjust the intensity appropriately. In order to soften the shadows on her cheek, I'm going to use another 150 watt soft light in a softbox. So we'll now turn on the fill light, and with the Dedolights you've got a really convenient slider control to precisely adjust the output of the light, and a built-in hook to hang it on the light stand. As these headphones have a great pattern on the side, I want to draw attention to that with a small spot of light. Traditionally, you do that either by using a snoot, for which you'd have to try different sizes to get the effect you want, or by fashioning your own out of a roll of black wrap. With the Dedolight, however, there's a projector attachment which allows you vast flexibility. As with all the other accessories, the projector unit simply slots into the front and locks in place. The slot at the front allows you to use coloured gels, scrims or shapes, in this case a small circle. I can adjust the harshness of the edge of the image like this until it's perfectly soft, and I can adjust the intensity whilst checking the model on the front here. Great. And that has been the Dedolights in use. Their careful and thoughtful design allows much greater precision and flexibility in use than many other brands of lighting. I hope you've learned something useful from this video today. Thank you.